You are about to reprogram your mind. When you repeat powerful affirmations and visualize your dream life, your energy shifts, your mindset changes, and your actions align with your vision. This short meditation will help you connect to your goals deeply and manifest what you truly desire. Speak, feel, believe. Repeat these affirmations after me and truly believe in each statement. Let's begin. I am ready to receive success. I am a magnet for miracles. I am aligned with my purpose. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am attracting abundance with ease. I am powerful beyond my thoughts. I am creating the life I dream of. I am open to limitless possibilities. I am grateful for what's coming. I am in the flow of the universe. I am confident in my journey. I am becoming my best self. I am attracting love, money, and peace. I am loved by everyone. I am already living my dream life. Now, gently close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. Hold your breath. Hold it. And breathe out. Now, think of one goal you truly desire. It can be anything: a dream job, a peaceful home, or a life-changing opportunity. Imagine you already have it. You have achieved it. It's real. See it very clearly. When it comes true, where are you? Who are you with? What do you feel? Live that moment right now. Clear all the doubts in your mind and live that moment right now. Feel the joy. Feel the peace. Feel the excitement. Smile because it's already done. Hold that vision in your mind. Feel it in your heart. And say, I deserve this. I believe in this. I receive this. Let it sink into your soul. Keep thinking about it and believe it has come true. Now gently come back and bring that energy with you. You are not the same anymore. Practice this every day and it will change your life, because what you focus on grows. If this helped you feel powerful and clear, subscribe to this channel and let's manifest together. And remember, you are the creator of your reality. You are powerful. You are ready. Join me in this journey with SARI Universe and let's influence one life positively.